What do you guys want to start with? Let's start with museum. Good luck, guys. All right, first box. All right, we start off. We got a Reggie Jackson base. Yoenis Cespedes. Looks like we got the canvas collection. Any guesses? Any guesses on the canvas collection? Ooh, that one's sticky. All right, the back we got a bronze McCutchen. I'll see who this is in a second. First hit is a 1/1 Corey Seager laundry tag. Oh, that was Al Kaline, by the way. Check this out. Dodgers hit a 1/1 right off the bat. Dodgers Ant B. Damn. Ant B with the Dodgers hit. Ant B, you a Dodger fan? Look at that beauty. Wow. That's the way you start off a break. Not at all. Wow. Damn, I love museum. All right, well, we started off with that. It's gonna be hard to top that. Ah, Mets. Gotcha. Well, I know there's a few Dodger fans watching right now, so he's open to offers. 609. All right. Koufax. Frazier rookie. Got a Pedro. There we go. Get it in focus for you. We got a bronze Mo. And the next hit is another 1/1. What? Is this a hot box or what? We got a Zim 1/1 for the Nationals. That one's going to 609. What is going on? Wow. Keep it going. It's going to be hard to top 2 1/1s now. Oh, you know what? No, where's my... Let me get another mag. Give me just 1 second here, guys. Got another one. Kershaw 1/1. Let's spread it around a little bit, Ant. Huh? 2 1/1s so far out of this museum box. Crazy. Absolutely insane. Look at those patches. Look at those patches. All right, let's keep it going. Let's see who else gets a 1/1. Two 1/1s. Wow. All right, let's go. Let's go. Let's keep it going. Let's keep it going. All right, we got Frankie. We got Miggy. We got a Victor Robles rookie. We got a Springer /99. Let's see, who got the Astros? Astros. Isn't that one of the fillers? Oh, yeah, Mr. P had Astro. Sorry, couldn't find it. All right, and next, oh, a Domingo Santana to 299. That one's going to the Brewers. So, Brewers, that one's 609's hit. It's not a one of one, but that's still a really sweet card. I know you guys are all disappointed that it's not a one of one, right? It's spoiled. Nice, Domingo Santana. $609. All right, let's go. Last pack. This is going to be the autograph. So we got a Reese rookie. Ty Cobb. Chipper Jones. We got a blue Shohei Ohtani to 150 for the Angels. That's pretty cool. Nice hit there, Mr. P. And the last hit in the museum box looks like a Brian Dozier autograph to 50. Bronze to 50. Wow, another, let's see, Twins. That one's going to 609. Dude, you're cleaning up. What is up, 609? What, really? That's how much that Ohtani's going for? Crazy. Nice box. It's got a nice signature. All right, so 2 one-on-ones in that box and an Ohtani to 50, which I will sleeve right now. What a box. They hooked it up. Really? All right. Let's get to the triple threads. Maybe they gave us another hot box. Let's go. Let's go. Triple threads. Let's start with this one. It's already actually opened. All right. Triple threads. One of my personal favorites. No, it doesn't look like a booklet. All right. We got a Votto. We got a Mookie. Javi Baez. There's 1, 2, yeah, 1, 2, 3. We got Edwin to 259. Yeah, these bases are nice. We got a Judge to 199. Insta. All right, and the first hit from Triple Threads. Alcides Escobar for the Royals to 99. 99 of 99, Alcides Escobar. That's who had the Royals. Aunt B with the Royals hit. Aunt B with the Royals hit. And next, oh, for the Angels, a Justin Upton, Mike Trout, Albert Pujols, triple relic. Nice hit, Mr. P. Mr. P. Mr. P with the Angels hit. Nice hit, buddy. And we got the Escobar right here also. It's a nice relic. 99 of 99. What was the number on this one? Oh, 24 of 36. 24 of 36 on that triple relic, Mr. P. And the Escobar hit. Yeah, it's been a good box so far. Okay, and triple threads, mini box number 2. All right, first card, we got an Adam Jones. A Luis Severino. You got an Altuve. You got a Ripken to 299 for the O's. That one's going to Mr. P too. We got a gold Ryan Sandberg for the Cubs. It's gold. Green. I don't know why I said gold. That one's going to Insta Luis. And the next hit. Oh, a Harper to 27. Check that out. Jumbo relic. Harper, another Nats hit. 609. Yet another hit for 609. And the next, we got a Frank Thomas to 18. Oh. Stat mastery. Check that out for the White Sox. 609, dude. 609 has had the most incredible break. Wow. What a break. 15 of 18. Big hurt. Awesome. Got the big hurt. We have the triple relic. The Trout, Pujols, Upton. We got Santana for the Brewers. MLB. We got a Dozier auto to 50. Another relic auto for the Royals. Alcides Escobar. And then the 2 one-of-ones. We had a Zim triple patch or quadruple patch. And we had a Corey Seager laundry tag. Check that out. Congrats, everybody. Thanks for getting in. We're going to have an NT box coming in this